Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good morning, student. Today I will start the lesson number 17. The lesson name is Introduction to Biotechnology. In this lesson, we have to study about the tissues, animal tissues and plant tissues. Next, tissue culture, agri-tourism and agri-business. So these topics we have to cover in this lesson. Okay, now yes, tissues. What is tissues and what is the animal tissue and what are the plant tissues? Okay, that we have to study here. Tissues. Okay, in case of amoeba like unicellular organism, all functions performed by the organelles of the single cell. However, most of the organism are multicellular. How are the various processes brought in their body? The group of cells come together so as to perform the various function of the body. The group of the cells come together so as to perform the various function of the body. The group of cells that have the same functions and have the same structure called the tissues. Group of cells, ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स जिसके स्ट्रक्चर सेम होते हैं और वो सेम फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? टिश्यूज. आर यू फेमिलियर विद द सीक्वेंस letter, word, sentence, lesson, textbook? So yes, you already know that. The words are made up of letters, sentences made up of words, and lessons are made up of the paragraphs. Okay, and textbooks are made up of the lessons. Similarly, organization of the body of organism follows a definite hierarchy. Similarly, the organism of the body of organism follow a definite hierarchy. You have already studied cell and cell organelle in the hierarchy. A group of cells having the same origin, same structure and same function is called tissues. The millions of cells are present in the body of multicellular organism. Multicellular organism means those who are made up of many cells. These cells are divided into the different groups. These cells are divided into the different groups, and each group perform a definite functions. And each group perform the definite function. For example, we can perform movements due to contraction, relaxation of muscle, conducting tissues in plant, transport water and food to all its part. All functions of body occurs with the full efficiency due to specific organization of cell and their division of work. Now type of the tissues. Simple tissues, complex tissues. Simple tissues. They are made up of only one type of the cell. Example, epithelial tissues of animal and meristematic tissue of the plant. Epithelial tissue of animals and meristematic tissues of the plants. Complex tissues. They are made up of more than one type of the cells. Example, blood of animals, xylem and phloem of the plants. So these are made up of more than one type of the cells, and examples are blood of the animals and xylem and phloem of the plant tissues. Plants being sedentary, most of their tissues are of the type that give support. जो प्लांट बीइंग सेडेंटरी, जो प्लांट होते एक जगह पे स्थिर होते रुके हुए रहते हैं, तो दैट्स वाई मोस्ट ऑफ देयर टिश्यूज, तो उसके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो टाइप के टिश्यूज है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो टाइप के जो टिश्यूज है, दे गिव सपोर्ट to the plant. These are dead cells in some tissues. These are dead cells in some tissues and these do not react. They do not need much attention. There are dead cells in some tissues. और कुछ टिश्यूज में डेड सेल्स होते हैं, इसकी वजह से दे डू नॉट नीड मच अटेंशन, इसकी वजह से उनको ज़्यादा अटेंशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट ऑकर्स इन स्पेसिफिक पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, whereas the tissue contain dividing cells. The plant occurs in specific parts of their body where the tissues contain dividing cells. As animal have more as animal have to move from place to place in search of food, shelter and partner, their energy needs are greater. The most of the tissue of animal are made up of living cells. Most of the tissue of animals are made up of living cells, and the ये cells, most of the cells in the plants are made up of dead cells. So remember this difference. Uniform growth occurs throughout the body of animal, and they do not have the different dividing and non-dividing tissues. This means that plant and animal have the different types of the tissues to performing the necessary functions. This means that plant and animal have the different type of tissues to performing the necessary functions. Animal tissue. Animal tissue. Now see type of animal tissues. See the tissues: connective tissue, muscular tissue, epithelial tissue, and nervous tissues. In the body of animal, different organs come together to perform the specific functions. In the body of animal, different organs come together to perform the specific functions. Specific function. Organs like lungs and trachea, with the help of contraction and relaxation of the some muscle, bring about the function of respiration. According tissues classified into the different type, there are the four main type of animal tissues, namely epithelial, tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissues, and nervous tissues. So tissues are mainly classified into the four groups in animals. So what are that four type of the tissues? Epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissues, and nervous tissues. Now yes, let's study about the epithelial tissues. epithelial tissues क्या है उसके बारे में स्टडी करेंगे अभी हम लोग. Protective covering in animal body are called epithelial tissues. The protective covering in the animal body are called epithelial tissues. Cells in these tissues are closely packed and form the continuous layers. जो protective covering है, the protecting covering in animal body are called epithelial tissues. जो एनिमल बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, कवर करने का काम करता है, उसको हम epithelial tissues बोलते हैं. Cells in these tissues are closely packed and form continuous layer. तो ये जो टिश्यूज़ है ये इसमें क्लोजली पैक्ड होते हैं और कंटिन्यूस लेयर फॉर्म करते हैं. Any material that enter the body first encounters epithelial tissues. Any material that enter the body first encounter epithelial tissues. Cells of the epithelial tissues are separated from the cells of the other underlying tissues by fibrous membrane. जो epithelial tissues होते हैं और दूसरे टाइप के tissues होते हैं वो दोनों epithelial tissues के नीचे प्रेजेंट fibrous membrane से separated होते हैं. The skin, mucus layer of the mouth. The skin, mucus layer of the mouth cavity, inner surface of the blood vessels, wall of alveoli etc. are made up of the epithelial tissues. जो अपनी स्किन है वो म्यूकस लेयर ऑफ माउथ, म्यूकस लेयर ऑफ माउथ कैविटी, जो म्यूकस लेयर है माउथ कैविटी का, इनर सरफेस ऑफ ब्लड वेसल, ब्लड वेसल्स के अंदर का जो सरफेस है, एंड वॉल्स ऑफ एल्विली, और एल्विली की जो वॉल्स है ये एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज से बनी रहती है. सी द टाइप्स ऑफ एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज, लोकेशन, स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन. Equamous epithelial, equamous epithelial appearance, diagrammatic appearance. Equamous epithelial, inner surface, it is present in the It is present in the inner surface of the mouth. So you have to remember which epithelial tissues present in which part of the body. Okay, and what are their functions, that you have to remember. So equamous epithelial tissues. Which tissues? Equamous. So it is like, yes, square in shape. The equamous epithelial tissues. Inner surface of the mouth. ओसोफेगस ब्लड वेसल एल्विली, जो माउथ के अंदर का सरफेस है, ओसोफेगस के अंदर का वॉल है, और ब्लड वेसल और एल्विली के जो वॉल्स है अंदर के, वो किससे बने हैं? एक्वेमोस इपिथेलियल. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर: थिन स्मॉल फ्लैट सेल्स, थिन स्मॉल फ्लैट सेल्स फॉर्म फ्रॉम सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन. द थिन स्मॉल, छोटे होते साइज में, पतले होते साइज में, और फ्लैट होते हैं, और सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन बनाते हैं. सेलेक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. तो ये क्या करते हैं? चीज़ों को सेलेक्टिवली सेल्स के अंदर एंटर होने देते हैं और सेल्स के बाहर आने देते हैं. स्ट्रेटिफाइड स्ट्रेटिफाइड इपिथेलियम. स्ट्रेटिफाइड स्ट्रेटिफाइड इपिथेलियम. The outer layer of the skin. It is present in the outer layer of the skin. Stratified epithelium is present in outer layer of the skin. Many layer of the cells. और जो यह है बहुत सारे टाइप के सेल्स का ऊपर का लेयर फॉर्म करता है. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ द वेयरिंग ऑफ ऑर्गेन्स. वेयरिंग ऑफ ऑर्गेन, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेन्स. जो ऑर्गेन्स हैं उनको वेयरिंग से प्रोटेक्ट करना. नाउ थर्ड टाइप ऑफ द एपिथेलियम टिश्यू इज ग्रैंडुलर एपिथेलियम टिश्यूज. ग्रैंडुलर एपिथेलियम टिश्यूज. थिन लेयर ऑफ द स्किन. इनर लेयर ऑफ द स्किन. स्किन के ये अंदर के लेयर में प्रेजेंट होता है. what we have seen, inner surface of the mouth and esophagus blood vessels, there is a present of the equamous epithelial tissue, and stratified are present in outer layer of the skin, whereas granular epithelium are present in inner layer of the skin. Structure: cell contain vesicle packed with secretory material. The structure: these cells contain vesicle packed with secretory material. Functions: secretion of the sweat, oil, sebum, mucus etc. और ये जो ग्रैंडुलर एपिथेलियम टिश्यूज़ हैं वो स्किन के अंदर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, अंदर के लेयर में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, और ये जो है स्वेट, पसीना, ऑयल, सेबम और म्यूकस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. तो ग्रैंडुलर का क्या फंक्शंस है? स्वेट ग्लैंड्स होते हैं इसके अंदर, स्वेट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, और क्या है? ऑयल ग्लैंड्स होते हैं, ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. और कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहते हैं? इनर लेयर ऑफ स्किन, स्किन के अंदर वाले लेयर में. कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम. कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम. इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द इनर सरफेस ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइन एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. columnar epithelium. It is present in inner surface of the intestine and alimentary canal. कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहता है? इनर सरफेस ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइन और एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में. स्ट्रक्चर: कॉलम लाइक टॉल सेल्स. कॉलम लाइक टॉल सेल्स. अब देखो ये कॉलर लाइक क्या है? कॉलम लाइक जो है टॉल सेल्स है. अपर फ्री सरफेस बियर्स फोल्ड्स मेड अप ऑफ दिस सेल्स एट प्लेस ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन. अपर फेस, क्लोज करो डोर. अपर फ्री सरफेसेस बियर द फोल्ड्स मेड अप ऑफ दिस सेल्स आर प्लेसेस ऑफ absorption. So they perform the functions as absorptions, secretion of the digestive juice, absorption of the nutrient. So their functions are to secrete the digestive juices and absorb the nutrient. Now next type is ciliated epithelium. Inner surface of the respiratory tract. Ciliated epithelium are present. Ciliated epitheliums are present in the respiratory tract. Upper free surface of the cells bear minute hair-like structures. functions push mucus and air forward to keep the air passage free. ये क्या करता है, म्यूकस और एयर को आगे की तरफ पुश करता है और पैसेज, सो दैट एयर पैसेज जो है वो फ्री हो सके। तो ये क्या है, सिलिएटेड इपिथीलियम। नेक्स्ट क्यूबॉइडल इपिथीलियम, ट्यूब्यूल्स ऑफ द किडनी, नेफ्रॉन, सेलेवरी ग्लैंड। ट्यूब्यूल्स ऑफ द किडनी, नेफ्रॉन और salivary gland cells are cuboidal. Cells are cuboidal. Now function: reabsorption of useful material from urine, secretion of saliva. So now yes, how many types of the epithelium cells are there? 2, 4, 6, 6 types. So now what is the first one? Equimose epithelium. Second one is stratified. Next one glandular. Next one columnar. Next one ciliated. And next one cuboidal. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ द टिश्यूज दैट इज कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज। अब कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज के बारे में देखना है हम लोगों को। टिश्यूज विच ज्वाइन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी आर कॉल्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज। ऐसे टिश्यूज जो बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट को कनेक्ट करते हैं उसको हम कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज बोलते हैं। सेल्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज आर लूजली अरेंज। सेल्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ द टिश्यूज, जो सेल्स होते हैं इस टाइप के टिश्यूज में लूजली अरेंज होते हैं विथ अ ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस in free space in between. The ground substance may be solid, liquid like water or jelly like. The ground substance may be solid, liquid like water or jelly like. Now type of the connective tissues. Blood. Blood connective tissues. Location. Closed circulatory system. Blood. It is present in the blood. Okay, so blood is the connective tissues and location क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में प्रेजेंट रहता है। एंड स्ट्रक्चर, तो ब्लड इज मेड अप ऑफ इरेथ्रोसाइट। इरेथ्रोसाइट मीन्स रेड ब्लड कार्पोसेल्स, ल्यूकोसाइट्स and platelets in liquid and plasma. Function: transport of the oxygen, nutrient, hormones and the waste. Transport of the oxygen, nutrient, hormones and the waste. Now limb, connective tissues, limb. All around the cells in the body, all around cells in the body, body में हर एक cells के अराउंड ये प्रेजेंट रहता है। फ्लूइड ओज आउट ऑफ द ब्लड कैपिलरीज। फ्लूइड ओज आउट ऑफ द ब्लड कैपिलरीज contain leukocytes and liquid ground substance. What is its function? प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द बॉडी फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शन, तो बॉडी को इन्फेक्शन से बचाना। Next, areolar tissue. Next one is the areolar tissue. It is present between the skin and muscles. It is present between the skin and muscles around the blood vessels. Now structure. Different type of the cells loosely arranged and supported by jelly-like ground substance and elastic fiber. And its functions: support the internal organs. इसका क्या functions है? To support the internal organs. Next, adipose connective tissues. Adipose connective tissues. This is present below the skin and around internal organs. It is present below skin. Skin के ये नीचे present रहता है and around the internal organ और internal organ के around. Now structures. Cells filled with the few hair droplets, jelly-like ground substance, insulation, supply of energy, storage of fatty etc. Now cartilage tissues. Nose, ear, larynx, trachea. The cartilage present in the nose, ear, larynx, trachea. Structure: cell Cell supported by the fibrous, flexible jelly-like ground substance. Now functions. Lubricate the surface of the bones, give support and shape to the organ. Lubricate the surface of the bone, give support and shape of the organ. Next type, bone. Skeleton, a specific structure extending throughout the body. Osteocyte. Structure, osteocyte embedded in the solid ground substance made up of the calcium phosphate. Function, support and protect different organs, help in movement. Now next type is the tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligament, all the joint. It is present in all the joints. Tendons, fibrous, strong, less elastic ligament, strong and highly flexible. Tendon, join muscle to the bone. Tendons, join muscle to bone. Ligament, join two bones to each other. Muscular tissues. Next type is the muscular tissues. Bend your arm at elbow. Observe the muscle in front and back of the arm. Straighten the arm and observe the same muscle again. Do the same with your leg, folding it at the knee joint. Did you experience the contraction and relaxation of muscles at every moment? The muscle fibers and muscle tissues. Muscle fibers and muscle tissues are formed from special type of contractile protein due to which the contraction and relaxation is possible. Muscle fiber and muscle tissues are formed from the special type of the contractile protein due to which contraction and relaxation is possible. Muscular tissues are made up of long cells of the muscle fiber. Muscular tissues are made up of long cell of the muscle fiber. Muscular movement occur due to contraction and relaxation of the contractile protein in these cells. Now, type of the muscular tissues. Type of the muscular tissues. अब देखो मस्कुलर टिश्यूज के क्या क्या टाइप्स है. Before that, what we had seen, epithelial tissues we have seen. Next, the connective tissues we have seen. Now muscular tissues. अब क्या देखना है हम लोगों को? मस्कुलर टिश्यूज के बारे में. अब ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहता है वो भी हम लोगों ने देख लिया. इट इज प्रेजेंट इन जॉइंट्स, striated muscle. Striated muscle. Now see striations and nucleus. Muscle cells are long, cylindrical. Striated muscle. Muscle cells are long, cylindrical, multinucleated and have no branches. These muscles do not have branch. The metal cells are long. मेटल के जो सेल्स होते हैं वो लंबे होते हैं, सिलिंड्रिकल इन शेप होते हैं, मल्टी न्यूक्लिएटेड होते हैं, बहुत सारे उसमें न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, एंड हैव नो ब्रांचेस, और इनकी कोई ब्रांचिंग नहीं होती. स्ट्रक्चर. They are alternate dark and light bands of these muscles. They are attached to the bones. They are also called the skeletal muscles. They move as per our will. Hence, they are called voluntary muscles. So, striated muscles are involuntary, voluntary muscles because they move as per our wish. अपने wish के according ये move होते हैं. Functions. These muscles bring about movement of the arms and legs, running, speaking, etc. और जो striated muscles है, ये muscles आर्म्स और लेग्स के अंदर मूवमेंट और रनिंग और स्पीकिंग के लिए ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं। Non-striated muscle. Non-striated muscle. Muscle cells are short. Here muscle cells are short, spindle in shape, unnucleated, uninucleated, and have no branches. इसमें भी क्या है, कोई भी ब्रांच होती नहीं है। So what happens in the striated muscle? There is one nucleus, and in the non-striated muscle there is a one nucleus, and in the striated muscle there are the many nucleus. Structure. Dark and light bands are absent. Dark and light bands are absent. Not attached to bones. Not attached to bone. Their movements are not under the control of our will, or those which are non-started muscle, their functions or movement not under control of our will. Hence, they are called involuntary muscles. They are present in the alimentary canal, blood vessels, etc. Functions: the movement of the eyelids, passage of the food through alimentary canal, contraction and relaxation of food vessels. फंक्शन क्या है इसके? मूवमेंट ऑफ द आईलिड, आईलिड का मूवमेंट, पैसेज ऑफ फूड थ्रू द एलिमेंट्री कैनल, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ द ब्लड वेसल्स, जो ब्लड वेसल्स है उसका क्या होना, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होना, रिलैक्सेशन होना। नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप इज द कार्डियाक मसल। नेक्स्ट टाइप इज द कार्डियाक मसल। द मसल सेल्स आर सिलिंड्रिकल, यूनिन्यूक्लिएटेड एंड ब्रांच। ये जो कार्डियक मसल्स है, they are cylindrical in shape, they are uninucleate, means nucleus is only one, and branch. Structure: dark and light bands are absent. Dark and light bands are absent. The heart is made up of these muscles. Their movements are not under control of our will, not under control of our will. The heart is made up of the muscle. Their movements are not under the control of our will. They contract and relax rhythmically. Function: contraction and relaxation of heart. Next type is the nervous tissues. Nervous tissue. Next type क्या है? Nervous tissue. Now see the basic structured function of the nervous system is the nephron. Sorry, is a neuron. तो see this is the structure of the neuron cell. ये क्या है? पूरा का पूरा जो आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, ये क्या है? न्यूरॉन सेल्स. एंड न्यूरॉन सेल्स help in the coordinations. They send the electrical signals to the brain. They carry the message. They carry the messages from the brain. Often you must have identified the singer by merely listening to the song of identified what is being cooked in kitchen by mere smell. What helps in do this? So often you must have identified the singer by merely listening to the song or identify what is being cooked in the kitchen by mere smell. What help us to do this? अब कौन से सिंगर का गाना है ये सिर्फ गाना सुनकर ही आप उसको पहचान जाते सिंगर को, और किचन में क्या पक रहा है उसकी स्मेल से भी आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हो। तो व्हाट हेल्प्स अस टू डू दिस? तो आवर सेंसरी ऑर्गन हेल्प्स to identify such things. Nervous tissues enable us to respond to stimuli like touch, sound, odor, color, etc. जो नर्वस सिस्टम है वो स्टिमुलिस को रिस्पॉन्ड करता है, स्टिमुलिस को रिस्पॉन्ड करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्टिमुली लाइक टच, sound, odor, color, etc. The cell of the nervous tissues are specially made up of the cells of the nervous systems are specific made to become excited and conduct that excitation from one part of the body to other. The cell body The cell body which contains the cytoplasm nucleus is the main part of each nerve cells. The cell body which contains the cytoplasm and nucleus is the main part of each nerve cells. Numerous small branch fibers called dendrites arise from the cell body. One of the fiber, however, is extremely long, is called as axon. Is called as the axon. The length of the nerve cells may even be up to 1 मीटर. ये जो नर्व सेल्स है इसकी लंबाई 1 मीटर भी हो सकती है. तो जो लॉन्गेस्ट सेल है अपनी बॉडी में वो क्या है, नर्व सेल्स है. Many nerve cells are bound together with the help of connective tissues to form nerve. Nervous tissues present in the brain, spinal cord, and network of the nerves is spread all through the body in the most animal. Actions in response to a stimuli occur due to integrated functioning of the nervous tissues and muscular tissues. So now observe the nerve cells. Okay, now see this whole part is called the cell body. In the cell body there is a nucleus. Cell body के अंदर क्या है, nucleus, and this root like structure, जो आपको root like structure दिखाई दे रहा, they are called dendroids. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, dendroids. Now see this, they are called axon, and this is the end of the dendroids. यहाँ पे क्या है, dendroids का end है. तो in this way now terminal of the axon joins to the nerve cells of any other nerve cells is connect to the other nerve cells. So in this way from the different parts of the body it reaches to the our brain. Now yes, we have learned about the four types of the tissues in the animal. What are that four type of the tissues in animals? In animals the four type tissues are epithelial tissues, and then we have seen this type. Next one is the connective tissues, okay, that connect the different parts of the body. And next one is the muscular tissue which are present in the arms, legs, etc., and because of that the movement is possible. And last one is the nervous tissues. लास्ट वन क्या पढ़ा हम लोगों ने, नर्वस टिश्यूज. और नर्वस टिश्यूज क्या करता है, इज इट कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग और फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. ओके, बॉडी से क्या करता है, ये मैसेजेस कलेक्ट करता है एंड देन इट ट्रांसफॉर्म टू द ब्रेन, और उसके बाद उसको इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल के फॉर्म में कहाँ ले जाता है, ब्रेन में ले जाता है. Okay, student, now unmute yourself, and if you have any doubt, ask to me. In the next period, we will study about the plant tissues. उसके बाद में क्या पढ़ेंगे हम लोग, plant tissues के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, now yes, unmute, and if you have any doubt, ask to me now. आबेदीन, इस्माइल, असरा, काजी लेबा, कुरैशी फरदीन, हीना, अब्दुल बासित, शेख आसिफ. Do you have any doubt? Okay, student. Now, yes, I am ending the meeting.